I have here a screwdriver set. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, show you everything that it comes with, and some of the ways that you can use it. So you can see here how big this set is. It's nice and compact, but it still has a lot of stuff in it. It does also come with this magnetic pad that's got a nice grid system. This will help you keep track of screws as you're taking things apart. So you can also put this magnetic pad on the outside of the box like this. So here I opened up the box. You can see all of the different bits that it comes with, as well as some accessories that you can use. So down here in the middle, we have the actual screwdriver, and you can see it's got a nice spinning end to help you hold it while you're spinning. It's got the attachment piece right here. Another nice thing about it is you can pull this, and this will extend, and it will lock into any of these grooves. This is going to make it a lot easier to reach something that's farther away. If you need to reach a spot that is far away, you can just extend it like this. Up here, we have another type of an extension rod, and this one's just going to slip into this spot like that, and then you can put the bits right there. But this is going to be for something that is in a narrow or a tight spot, as this one is flexible. So you can flex it easily, and then I can still turn and get to a screw that's in a really hard to reach spot, where a standard screwdriver would be too big and not flexible. Some of the other accessories that we've got here, we've got some plastic pry bars right here, so you can pry apart some pieces if you need to without leaving damage. We also have some tweezers if you need to get into some tight areas. A little suction cup for removing phone screens. Underneath here, we've got some guitar picks for holding clips apart while you're prying things apart. You've also got some magnetizers and demagnetizers, and then a whole bunch of different bits. So this is going to be a unique piece. If you have like a power impact drill, this is going to fit into that chuck so that you can have these little bits, because these are a lot smaller, and still use them with something bigger. Even if it's a bigger type of screwdriver, this would fit in those. So these long screwdriver bits are going to be a lot easier for getting the small screws that have the little teeny holes compared to these ones that are going to be bigger and thicker. These ones will fit really nice. So I have a couple of different devices here that I'm going to show you how some of these screws will work. So on this one, it's got some longer holes, and this smaller bit is not going to fit, but this longer bit should be able to reach and easily get to the bottom and get the screws out. So that's where your extra length is going to come in really handy. On something small like this, these standard small bits are going to be just fine, and they'll be able to easily pull out the screw just like that. So this screwdriver set is super nice. It's got plenty of bits to do all the different kind of projects that you're going to need to. You'll be able to disassemble phones, remotes, all kinds of electronics. It's even got big bits, so you can disassemble and work on like computer cases and things like that. Plus it's got all the accessories that you might need, and this really handy magnetic pad to help you keep track of the screws as you're taking things apart. So I'd recommend this to anybody that likes to work on electronics and needs to have a really nice screwdriver set to use.